Welcome to The Systems Thinker, a video series to help you know the whole, focus on the constraint, and reach your goal. Pretty much everyone I talk to about constraints gets the idea. It's a bottleneck thing. It's where the flow of value becomes constrained. Typically, it's when there is more work to do than there is resource of the kind needed to complete the work by the desired time. What's far less understood is the flip side of that idea. If we have a constraint, then everything else must, by definition, have capacity available relative to that scarce resource. The trouble is, even when we know the truth about non-constraints, we don't manage our systems accordingly. Our management accounting systems reward the amount of effort we expend. Whether in projects or production, our accountants will often allocate the recovery of our operating expenses based on the effort expended in doing a task. In the world of production, we call this absorption costing. In the world of projects, it's called earned value. But why make something before you need it, even if it's going to absorb costs or earn value? The more you beaver away, the more you build up work in progress. The more work in progress you build up, the more clutter you have in your pipeline. The more clutter you have in your pipeline, the higher the likelihood you'll create bottlenecks and log jams. If you can't deliver value at a rate that is governed by your constraint, isn't it logical that you should find the constraint, optimize it, and have all non-constraints working in collaboration to do what's best for the system? Don't pay attention to the efficiency of the components, but rather look at how you can make your system more effective by understanding the role of non-constraints. That's your tip for better ways to do better work and redefine what's possible.